I feel so close to you right now.
But she's
Beach vlog.
driving.
This is a car loaded up. We're ready to go. It's currently like 6 probably. And yeah. Bye. Hi. We're stopped at the gas station. Ouch. This is a CD and soaps back there with all this
Poor
stuff.
Montana. Free Montana. And Emma's.
No, stop.
You put her back there. Oh,
She already knew she was going back there.
I know.
Emma's.
I'm not your. This is going to my YouTube. Stop.
Oh.
It felt like boiled egg. It felt like bad. It stinks.
It smells like a real boiled egg, like it's in your face. Okay, it's gone a little.
Bye.
Not really though.
Tell me to make you want boiled eggs. Bye.
Why you can't say ew when you just said now you want boiled eggs and you're all ew?
Because I don't.
Little
Great. We stopped at Starbucks.
This thing is a bit scary.
This is our little setup. Yeah. Our setup.
Burning.
Just got out the water. What? Oh yeah. She got to cut her knee, and Ricky's got to cut his foot. You already saw her cut.
My lips are burning.
So
I got no, never mind. I got water in my eye. It was burning.
She got water
And then
boarded.
it came through seaweed on me, and it got water in my eye again.
Every spot.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't have a
Let's say Ori found some cereal and now she's got highs all over her legs. So maybe we're all burning out here.
Sorry, whoever told you.
Yeah.
No. Ready? Turn around. Turn around and I'll pour it in your mouth like party. Ready?
This is gonna go so fast.
3, 2, 1.
Think I found it. She my cherry cola.
Still hanging on. I'm reading watermelon. Oh my god, that's sunscreen in my eye. That's Sana. Hi. Here's everybody. Always in the chair. So we're just yeah. Okay, we're almost getting our food. I got my Sammy here. With some mayo, lettuce. Yeah. First, we have pasta salad. And yeah, everyone's making my stack. I'm super sad. She's staring at We're trying to save Ori and Sammy. Well,
Mine dropped too. It's okay.
This is my second time.
we've been struggling.
I'm honestly gonna cry.
Is it good?
I don't even have any.
Are we Sammy safe? Yeah. He's done. We're feeling fresh and good. Yeah. Everyone's cooking. And Ricky's burnt. Ori's shoulders are burnt. She started up already. Yeah. Ooh. And we're packing up. We're all freshened up. Now we're getting ice cream. Ice cream. Done with all eating. Done eating. Now we're walking back to the car. So basically, this concludes our beach trip. But you'll see more clips in the car back. It's on. We're leaving. There you go.
We're leaving.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip.
Mwah.